Yes, I have been coming live with some people, but I thought why not come live now and interact with you guys, क्योंकि उसमें तो interviews होते हैं, questions होते हैं. But today I actually just wanted to interact with you all because it had actually been a very long time. And yes. Hi Khushbu, hi. Oh, also advance में ईद मुबारक आप सबको. Let's take a screenshot. Hi IG Irfan. Hi Riva. Hi Agarwal Gunjan. Hi MD Rasil. Hi Tarun. Hi Hazrat. Hi Kuldeepish. Hi Indrajit. Hi Vikas. Hi Kamnush. Hi Anmol. Hi Ami Bharti. Hi Tadu Sharma. Hi Nisha. Hi Shivi Gupta. Hi Jay Parmar. Hi Zafar. Guys, if you have any questions, आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. I am here to interact with all of you guys. And also अगर आपको कुछ network में कुछ लगे, because these days there are a lot of Wi-Fi problems that are going on, so just let me know. Hi Saurav. Hi Mayank. Hi Vanshika. Hi Fuzi. Hi Nikhil. Yes, I will add some people too today. आज मैं add भी करूँगी आप सबको, but थोड़ी देर बाद ताकि कुछ लोग और आ जाएं. And then I'll start adding people. Hi Cutie Pie Girl 138. Hi Heer Jadhav. Hi Rohan. Hi Mishri. Hi Manju Singh. Hi Urvi, how you doing? Okay, should I like go to the this thing? Okay guys, you can ask me questions in the comment section itself. Hi Manmeet, hi Jersey, hi Sanskriti. Hi Pragati Shukla, how are you doing? Hi Bandra 50. Bandra 50? क्या बात है? Hi Priyam Rathod. Hi Suchitra. Hi Neha. Okay, too much of hi hello now. Let's interact. So how is your quarantine going? आप सब कैसे spend कर रहे हो? Hi Seth. How are you and your family? I'm good. Ashnorian official. Everyone's safe over here. I hope everyone's safe at your end too. Hi. I am Tanam. Hi Sufi. Hi Devanshi. Hello, hello. Okay, too much hello, hello. You can ask questions now. Hi Asha. Please add anyone. Yes, I will. I will add someone in like 5 to 10 minutes after we. Ashi, please check DMs. Okay, I will do that. Oh, also one more thing that I wanted to tell you guys. Yesterday on Twitter, I just saw some Manilian. So I just tricked my mind. Missing Patiala babes. Thank you, Kasturi, Kulkani. All the love that you guys are giving to Patiala babes. Yesterday on Twitter, hashtag Patiala babes Wapas Lao was trending on number 3. Guys, like, thank you. Wow, what can I say? I don't know. Patiala babes Wapas Lao was trending number 3 on Twitter India along with Eid Mubarak and all. And Sonur as Minil was trending on number 4. So you guys are amazing. Now I don't know what will happen obviously because the condition is like that. Nobody has a control over it and we can't do anything about it. This coronavirus pandemic. So I don't know what is gonna be the outcome, but I'm just really thankful for all the love you guys are giving to the show. How's your quarantine going? Quarantine is going amazing. आपका quarantine कैसा चल रहा है? So usually I have these online classes in the morning, but tomorrow मेरी छुट्टी है from online classes because it's Eid tomorrow. How's uncle? He is safe, right? Yes, mom, dad, both are safe. What's the reason behind your always happy face and your cute smile? I don't know. I just stay happy on the inside, and that comes on my face. You guys make me happy. Hi Neha. Hi Zangi Khan. Hi Bhavya. Where are you from? I'm born in Delhi. Mom's from Punjab. Rupin. Hey. How are you? नजर ना लगे. Thank you. How are you doing? कोई नहीं चलता है कोई नहीं. Ta na na. That was a different song. I'm not using that song. Hi Tushar. Hi Paramjot. I'm doing good. I hope you are safe. You're home. And you're taking your precautions against Corona. Riyaz Ali, how are you doing? इस टाइम मिस नहीं हुआ देखो. Hi Priyanshi. Hi Nitin. Hi Mehak. That pic of childhood show is amazing. Oh yes, that picture is from Jhansi Ki Rani. Take Me Live, we'll sing it together. Okay. So the one behind Koi Nahi is coming live with us.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Long time.
All good. Finally. We
Finally.
planned this every time, but it never happened.
It never happened.
The last moment
I saw you live.
the best.
I saw you live and I was like, might as well.
Guitar
Always ready with the guitar.
Okay.
One second.
Okay, I'm not going to sing, okay? I'll just like, where did he go? Okay.
I'm right here.
I won't
No,
sing,
you
okay?
sing.
I'm a very bad
That
singer.
was so nice. You sang so well. Sing.
Please. I'm a bathroom singer.
It's okay. Everyone's probably in their bathroom while you are watching this. Guys, okay, you tell me. Whoever's watching, was she not good when she sang that song? There's so many hearts going. I think you're amazing. Okay, I'll sing one line, then you sing the second line. Okay?
No, we'll sing together.
Cool,
We'll
perfect.
sing together. Yeah, okay.
Done. गले जो लगाए तो गर्दन करती है, चलता है कोई नहीं, चलाए तो मुझसे वो डरती है, चलता है कोई नहीं, घंटा बोल के घंटा करती है, चलता है कोई नहीं. Yes, perfect. ठीक है. तो let's sing one line. टी-शर्ट मेरी पहन के हाथ क्यूट लगती है,
चलता है कोई नहीं. Oh God, that was so painful.
मेरे साथ सब कुछ हंसते. तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं. Your turn.
No.
आदत तेरी लगी,
I'm not gonna sing.
जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं.
कोई नहीं चलता है कोई नहीं. You make me
I never could ask you what was your experience like being on set. We were busy shooting that day, but what was your experience like shooting that music video, working with Sunny, being on that set, that song?
So that was my first music video actually. So yeah, Koi Nahi was, and it had a different vibe actually. I would say, even though that I have done other music albums now, but that one music album like had its own vibe. So Koi Nahi is like firsts are always special, and Koi Nahi obviously
Yeah.
is like a different song.
Anything funny, anything memorable that happened on the shoot?
Koi Nahi said. Mm. Oh yes, I remember the last shot where I had to put that face pack on my face. And it was cringe. And ऊपर से सनी ने और डाल दिया था. And then नहीं नहीं वो नहीं बोलूँगी मैं. I'll tell you
नहीं नहीं
what
नहीं,
both
बोल बोल बोल.
later on.
नहीं
Not
नहीं नहीं,
until
बोलना
that.
बोलना.
अरे अरे. सनी को I guess he had to wear shorts or something. तो बेचारे को वैक्स करना पड़ा था.
Oh yes.
I had those waxing strips. And I had to let it. You keep those in your bag for safety. And I
Yeah, yeah,
waxing strips.
yeah. So what happened was they gave me the option कि Rupin, will you shave your legs? I was like नहीं, मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा because I don't know. So it was either him, because it was same costume. Either he wears the shorts or I wear the shorts. Luckily they were like नहीं, Rupin से नहीं कराते, and then Sunny agreed to it. So he had to wax his legs and I was saved. And I didn't know that you gave me wax strips and all that.
Yeah.
I remember that. I remember that.
That's great.
That was a big pop up.
Oh,
बहुत
yes.
कपड़े चेंज हुए लास्ट दिन हमारे, एटलीस्ट हमारे,
Yeah.
लाइक मेरे और सनी के.
Correct.
anything funny in the wardrobe thing, anything शूट के टाइम पे कुछ ऊटपटांग, कुछ मजेदार?
कुछ उसके हिसाब से so I क्या हो गया? I guess you just went off. And I'm not able to add you back. Anyways, we'll continue some other day. Hi, Vedika. Hi, Supriya Singh. Okay, let me just add someone now. Let's see who I can add. Hi, Manu Saini. Hi, Vedika. Hi, Mrityu. You are my fave. Always love to see you. Thank you. Okay, I just added someone waiting for the fan to come live with me. Hi, Kushi. Is there Patiala Babes new season? Well, there's no such thing as of now. So I can say. Hi, Mod Ashraf. Hi, Ankit.
Hi, Ashi.
Hello.
How are you? I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. All good. All good.
How's your life
So,
going
आपका
on?
quarantine कैसा चल रहा है?
Well, that's boring.
That's good. Thank you. I just saw your account and I've been seeing your edits. So thank you for all the edits and all the love. They are really
Oh.
great.
I love it when you say that you like these tickets.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Soon my FC is completing 3 years on 27 May.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's great.
Yeah.
So
How's
yes,
auntie?
Mama's good, all well. Everyone's safe.
Okay.
And you too take care. Stay
Yeah,
safe,
yeah.
take precautions. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.
It's so great talking to all you Asturians, all my fans, my extended family. It's just always very great. Hi, Jen Priyal. Should I add someone else? Okay, I'm just trying to add one of you guys. Hello? Okay, I can just see the seating, nothing else. Never mind. Let me add someone else. आपके फेस पर क्या हुआ डॉल? आई गेस ये हर टीनेजर को होता है. दैट्स अ बिंदी टाइप का पिंपल दैट आई हैव गॉट एंड आई कैन डू नथिंग अबाउट इट. तो ये आया भी एकदम सेंटर में है. Your favorite color? Today I'm wearing yellow, so I guess yellow is my favorite color for the day. Hi Jyoti. Pure Punjabi lagde ho. Thank you so much. Hi Gopika. This color suits you a lot. Thank you so much. Hi Javed. Hi Suri Shreya. Please post this live today. Yes, I will post it and it will be on my IGTV. Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Have you seen my edits? I've made an account for you, Unique
Oh,
Ashton
yes.
Kaur.
Yeah, that's the reason I added you here. I just saw your account and I thought to add you.
It's a new account I made just a few weeks ago only.
Okay. Okay. Great, looking forward.
So, how is quarantine going?
My quarantine is going amazing. Everyone's safe here and everyone's taking their precautions. I hope you
And
all
how's your mom, dad?
mom, that's well. How old are you?
How? I'm 22 years old.
Oh, okay. That's great. So yes. What's the sound?
It's an ambulance sound
Oh,
from the
everyone's safe?
background.
All well?
Yeah, everyone's safe. It's behind this Myviander hospital, so all the day the sound going on and on.
Oh, okay,
It's
okay.
just behind where I live, just behind them. Yeah.
Okay, alright. So you might be
So every day it irritates me with that ambulance
yeah.
sound whole day.
Correct. But that's okay, no
And
problem.
whole day I see that patient.
Alright. So yes, looking forward to your edits.
So
and
how is
stay
mom, dad?
safe.
Hope they are fine.
Everyone's good. Yes. Alright then, see you. Was she saying something? Hi Sayed. Hi Kashish. Hi Ankit. Okay, now we'll talk. I added a few people, now we'll talk. Hi Shretya. Hi Singuttam. Hi Devil. Okay, I just look for some questions. Hello, hello. Okay, lot of hello, hello. Please check your email. Okay, I'll do that. Your eyes are really pretty. Thank you so much. Hey, if you get a chance to do Patiala waves again, which role would you do? Which role? Mindy, of course. मैं कोई और रोल करूंगी तो मिंडी कौन करेगा? Love you. Thank you, Prince. What's your height? I'm 5'6". Hello, Mini G. Hello, Ishika. How are you? Hi, Kia. Love from USA. Lots of love from India. I hope you all are safe there. I've been watching news and circumstances don't seem to be stable there. So take care. I'm your great admirer. Thank you so much. Hi, Kanupriya. Hi, Kushwat. Hi, Sneha.